Yamwache yada wasepa umre no wadaje odi ama Adom TV Badwam na de edu so no Badwam kase samno ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini Major Mahama ye nipa bi abro no kum no wo denkyere boase no wonmo a yesusu se wo mu nim hu bie no bebia kosie mede bro chairman wuntumi so ekokopie Kumasi Traditional Council ne kosi sei eno ne nsem na no pay mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel 119 DSTV 280 YouTube Adom TV 2 Medindi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said nsam chiremo ankasa etie abusiafo ya wonde hye Major Mahama enipa bi ebro no kum no wo denkyere boase ne wo makoma to won yam efise nipa no dodo no a no ye sone so ewie mu dumienu de yesusu se womo enim abamu ano ewuo no hu bi womo eka ho nti enra court atenase ama womo aye ne se sa nipa dumienu ne de yemfo womo nko hye fiase na yensen wonmo ahoma no nso mfiri ate fiase asase so na sa kokodon de Ghana yenya nuru ho abusiafo ani agede nenso womo dofo no enya de so betimi abamu nsam Adom TV kase etwaso.
Yes. For me, that's actually the most important lesson to be drawn from this. That indeed there's no point at all engaging in mob justice. Because clearly, we have seen a situation where a person who was innocent, was gruesomely murdered under such circumstances. And I believe that the whole nation will learn from it and need to put an end to mob justice in Ghana. I was quite appalled to see the videos of Major Mahama on social media. But again, I must also congratulate the investigative team as well as the prosecutorial team, which also put together all the necessary pieces of evidence for the court.
Punishing them will serve notice to anybody who wants to kill an innocent person. You have to be careful.
I thank God for bringing the case to a conclusion. Though the verdict will not bring my son back, it will serve as a deterrent to such ill behavior so that someone's son or daughter will not suffer the same fate. The pain of losing a son in that manner is so excruciating that I do not wish that for anyone. Consequently, the onus lies on all of us who abhor instant justice to put our hands on the wheel to ensure that the memory of our beloved Major Mahama is immortalized through our united effort to care.
Santimante mujam teneni de ma MPP amanyoko Benadentri Buasiakom and traditional Kumasi Traditional Council. One more ejano say one call ewo and sembia ni esusu se wokan ye ma etia wote kokoso asante hene Adom TV edeba.
Seminar say the converted MPP vetting the Council of Elders Chairman mentioned it now we entitled to say the come na me vetting committee mentioned the na me chairman je ko du ho no na MP wa vetting okọ ti o ha na emu say the organizer about chairman chain and na be council ti na after asomo mo kan ye dey anti be na yen tokwa na me pattern nti me constituency chairman what me chain no ka chain say chairman na woni akura kasa o pata wonti nti asomo e ba first ni say hwe obi antimi nhye me tuoi even otu for kwa kasem na me ni na da me kama dan kire. First one, second one, na me to ka first one na me mhye ma ka hwe o be no asaba me ma ya the kingdom oh timi ya to spot
eno achi anoma twankunya e ma santimante mu titrani chairman untumi akonya se wono nso enyi ne ho ano ewo ne kwaadu a kokosoma ihe na nakwadua ede aboro no
na de wotwa esa no onim se de chiachia enti on ka kire no eho no ka kire sa adenti no wani no ho adanse adenti no wani na ko ho adanse na kire sa ode kosoro ti abra ode ne kasa na kosoro ye ye no ena ma me so be ka kire de se Abuba get out from here I had the hire my office na say o jeji
Yato akase no eso na Kumfi Traditional Council se won wadi ye mampani na na adodan kwa Akufo Addo ne ho yawo se na natimi bie nanumo ekase de enti a enempuntu nkoso ewo Kumfi nyina gina se wo moto abanu ti a MPP candidate na wo gina ewo 2020 election no emo Kingsley Atukujo Adom TV etwaso.
We are extremely shocked by these statements and struggle to believe same to be true, because we particularly did not believe that the president, who is mandated by the Constitution to be responsible for the development of the country, would politically segregate the country and treat others with disdain and dislike, and vehemently deny us development because we did not vote for his preferred candidate. By our understanding of the very Constitution, which recognizes free and fair elections, one of which made His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo the president, there is no provision in the 1992 Constitution which mandates the president to decide who the people of Ekunfi, or for that matter, any other constituency, must elect to represent him in Parliament.
Owie was signed to just say, and send be a better just say, I am for Biako PM Mampeni, a try ya, one more out on a name say, can him Mampeni, Johnny Vasatamosa, when any baby crony who and Himono, one found some emetu Janina Nadia, a no crayfree say, 1 month's more be I say, Uncle Mampeni share, and Quanquaje are in Cheremono.
To set the record straight, the man of a Ekunfi traditional area, who is the paramount chief, or therefore in the 8, has not. And I want to say this clearly for you newsmen and everybody to hear. I and my chiefs has not elected or delegated neither anybody nor any group of persons to His Excellency the President.
By to Akasiano so na University Staff Union members says it's crowded on better aduane ama onu obusia ne ho ayedene. Aban condition of service no where so betimi dey ama wo mo no ho ahenha wo bi ene Adom TV kase edi nkomo.
De mesre aban ne se edwumani bia efata na ketua. De ekosu ya penchen ekosu ama efe bebre entokwa ne ade na esim esanse na 29th yentu ayeka yenhu yenim da yaketua no eba yempeni so aka kire se yetie tu sika no so 9 months akem ye papa nom ye mame mu a omwo yenim o medical co pension omonsanka musika. You can imagine pension mu abrabo o ye adwuma kra tesen na wo pension enti e be sre aban ne se ye sika bia akamu bia no ye sre no kotodwa bufom na ondane ye sika emaye na asumdwe embra University of Ghana campus
so no park no be kwa adwuma e obekọ school so we say ho ka baba me fa no to and from aduane sika na ade say the me bra kan ye titifie if it's not another time, so be a person of it. And today, Monday, you should be in the office working, but because of strike action, you know, we are to be independent. Independent, yes, somebody say, you can near come to 2 near the Amatan for a whole 9 months. And Sanka, or Mamma, the answer, and Sabe, a bit me a car. The man to a woman, I say, in Sacanino, or Mamma, the answer, we are quite another, yeah, but yes, 7 and let's 29.
Mamina no sona Adom TV, Badwam Kasiana no pay Hana Bema Quina Media Sia, Seda Yodia, and Ren Wadaji. You I feel the one cratano, I a crowd on the online stories. Aminyan Kratz with Simaki 2 yenche, yet it was so.